Ashish, when I ask people why do they not start a company, they say, I don't have the courage. There's a lot of courage required to start a startup, right? So, what in your childhood or your teenage years, or who do you think helped you gain that courage in when you were building your character?
So I would say the circumstances actually and the situations really continue to push me. And then the challenges that I continue to see with the solutions that were offered to the customers that I was working for in my previous job days itself is where I saw that these are not something, the limitations that the customers should really have. There should be proper solutions that should be there. And being always focused on solving the problems for the customers is something that continued to push me. And it got to a point where I really needed to take a step back and take it on myself that I can't always put it on an existing solutions limitation and all. I need to be the solution myself. And hence I took it upon myself to start the company, start the journey itself, to build the right solution, to build the right partnerships with the right customers itself.
Okay, so you already mentioned that as a kid and as a teenager, you loved programming and did all the courses and stuff. Was there also something in your early years that you would say predestined you for learning to be more the salesperson, more the business person?
So, from the beginning of my career after my graduation, I really enjoyed interacting with the different customers and really understanding their problems, understanding their challenges. And being a developer in the very beginning part of my career, I enjoyed solving their problems through the code and whatever things that they were having rather than really making it as a limitation that this is what I can do or I cannot do itself. And in those interactions, given that I had the knack of always focusing on finding a solution, the openness and the transparency really helped me connect with those customers and them really believing in me that I'm always looking to do the right things by the customers. That really helped me understand, learn from that experience, and grow my different communication skills, ability to see the need of the customer and map the solution to that. So that's how I continue to work on myself, continue to build that skill itself. I'm still not in any which way perfect. I'm still learning itself. I'm not the best salesperson, but I definitely want to do right and want to be very honest and transparent always to the customers and partners. And that's what I continue to do on a daily basis.
Okay, that's an excellent story. Thank you so much. So, if now that you're, of course, in more of the boss role, you have a team of 11, probably growing over time, right? How do you now apply those lessons and instill confidence in people that work with you?
One of the key things that I always wanted to have in the company is provide a platform to the people who are genuinely passionate in solving the problems and providing them a platform where they can be independent in terms of providing their ideas, in terms of solving the problems and all, and not really tying them to the hierarchies of the company, not tying them to frameworks and the specific things that are done in the company, but really provide them a platform where they are focused on achieving the solutions, achieving the deliverables in the right manner itself. So that is something that we had from the day one really focused on in the company. And till today, we push for providing that type of platform to the folks itself as well. That's why we have partnered with University of Waterloo since past 3.5 years for different students on the co-op side, for post-graduation side itself as well. And they have been amazing to take advantage of that learning opportunity and really put their unique passion and the technical skills behind the overall solutions that we have built so far.